You know, it's safe to say what's happened today has really eaten away a lot of that leftover snow.
Yes, we had a little bit Friday night, but that's a distant memory. And welcome to mud season round 3.
Yeah.
Oh, right, yeah, we've been through a few cycles already.
We have been. That fog, low clouds we had today too, a big part of that. But tonight the temperatures are going to go up. It looks a little eerie out there right now. Yeah, this is Camden at 49 degrees with this deck of low clouds and fog. That's protecting us actually from a lot of the wind that's blowing higher up in the atmosphere. But later tonight, the fog will break up a little bit and will turn warmer with a little bit more wind tonight too. Already more than an inch of rain in most of southern and central Maine. Bangor coming in just above a half an inch so far. Temperatures have jumped to near 60 in southern New Hampshire, so some of us will see numbers near 60 overnight tonight. I don't think it's widespread, but it's certainly possible. Really dynamic storm to our west. We've had tornado warnings today from the mid-Atlantic through the southeast. I think the craziest aspect of this was there were tornadoes yesterday in Alabama, and today they had a coating of snow around Birmingham. That just shows the temperature clash that's set up right over the East Coast. So through the night tonight, temperatures keep going up. There still will be fog through the evening. I think it's around midnight we start to notice the winds kick up a little bit more. And there will be some downpours that come through with maybe even a rumble of thunder between midnight and 6 a.m. from west to east. And that's when some of the strongest gusts will be. It won't be a constant wind, but there will be some strong gusts that can knock down a tree limb or a power line late tonight and early tomorrow morning. Now watch the temperature in the town closest to you tomorrow. They go down through the day, but that starts happening in western Maine and New Hampshire first. It takes until later in the day in eastern Maine to get that colder air in there, but it will be a brisk and breezy afternoon tomorrow as the winds come around to the west. This is just an idea for the timing of those gusts tonight. Starting around midnight along the coast, some gusts 50 to perhaps close to 60 miles per hour, especially down east. Not as strong across the interior. And then tomorrow afternoon, it's still gusty, but from the west. Wind gusts in the 35-mile-per-hour range during the day tomorrow. So be aware some outages are possible tonight, but I think we avoid a widespread, massive power outage situation. But if it's isolated or scattered in nature and it hits your house, it's obviously a problem for you. Colder air comes back in for the middle of the week. Looks nice though on Wednesday, sunshine despite the chill. And then late this week we have a series of some weak systems beginning Thursday into Friday and then maybe another one over the weekend. At the moment none of them look big, but they're likely to be bringing more clouds and a chance for some showers late in the week. Seas tomorrow 12 to 16 feet, the wind coming around to the southwest and west and still gusty on the water. So tonight temperatures go up. You notice on the 7-day the low is higher than what traditionally is the high there, and that's just as a messaging thing that, hey, tomorrow afternoon it's not going to be warm. Then Wednesday we're sunny and cold. A chance for some snow showers Friday and Saturday and perhaps a little mix on Sunday, but at the moment we don't think those are big storms.
I can already anticipate the sunny day we have in there Wednesday. We're going to be saying, well, at least the sun's strong.
Yes,
right.
That will
be one of those
exactly
days.
be the thinking on Wednesday.
Yeah.
It'll make a difference. Yeah.
Okay, we'll look forward to it.
Yeah.
Ryan, thank you.